Loudoun, Page, Prince William, Rappahannock, and Warren. Flood warning in effect until midnight tonight. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of northern and northwest Virginia, including the following counties: in northern Virginia, Culpeper, Fauquier, Loudoun, and Prince William. In northwest Virginia, Page, Rappahannock, and Warren. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until midnight tonight. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 5:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Leesburg, South Riding, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Brambleton, Warrenton, Ashburn, Linton Hall, Bull Run, Purcellville, Brunswick, Haymarket, Middleburg, Round Hill, Sperryville, Arcola, The Plains, Delaplane, Hume, Bluemont. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.